If you've ever declined an invitation to go hunting because you didn't want to hurt any animals, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever told a child to stop pulling on a cat's tail because that's not nice, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever been outside on a rainy day and you carefully avoided stepping on any worms, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever adopted a companion animal from a shelter rather than buying one from a breeder, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever thought that the food from McDonald's is gross, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever looked at the bones and cartilage inside a piece of KFC and made a face like this, because you started to think about how it was a body part from a chicken who got killed, you were thinking like a vegan. If you have ever been driving in a car and you slowed down to avoid running over a squirrel, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever seen a spider and instead of squishing him, you just left him alone or brought him outside, you were thinking like a vegan. If the words pulled pork have ever made you go like this, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever looked at a list of ingredients and thought to yourself, what the heck is that? I'm going to take a moment out of my day to look that up. You were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever found an injured bird in your backyard and you put her in a little box and you called up a wildlife rehabilitator to come help her, you were thinking like a vegan. If you've ever witnessed any kind of cruelty and you thought to yourself, that is wrong, and you spoke up against that cruelty, you were thinking like a vegan. Vegan may be a strange word, but being vegan isn't strange at all. It's just about being kind. It's about practicing the golden rule and treating others as you'd like to be treated. You wouldn't like it if someone hurt you, so you don't hurt anybody else. Being vegan is about living the values that you already have. Go vegan, everybody!